Hello and welcome. In today's video I will show you how to turn on location history on Google Maps. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Maps, and after that go and click on your picture on the top right of the screen, and after that go and click on your data in Maps. After that, scroll down until you find Web and App Activity. Click on See and Delete Activity. And as you can see here, it will show my history on Google Maps, and it's supposed like to be turned on. But if it's turned off, you have just to click Saving to Web and App Activity. And as you can see, if you will find it here like off, you have just to click here and you can turn it on and use it and know your Google Maps history. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next